Welcome to Tips and Tricks for October 2024. This month, how to create a DocFlow.
This is an intro video on how to get started with DocFlow. And if you don't have any DocFlows yet, how to create one from scratch. So just the bare essentials on how to get started. The DocFlow module, when it first opens up, I have DocFlows available in this demo system, but you may see nothing here on the left. You're going to want to go to the edit flows. Now, two things before you even open up DocFlow and go to edit flows, and that is going to be permissions. So in your archive admin users, every user who enters the DocFlow module needs to have DocFlow user checked off. So first, when I look at this admin user, there's a DocFlow user checkbox. So that will get you into this DocFlow screen and takes up a DocFlow license. Secondly, in order to get to the edit flows screen, all admins automatically have access to that screen. But if you are a non-admin user, you're going to need allow DocFlow design checked off. And that will allow you into the edit flows. So now let's go into the edit flows. And I already have some flows here, but let's say we want to get started from scratch. We don't have any flows. We've got the add button here. We just need a unique DocFlow ID. So let's give this a name of DocFlow_approval. And then we're going to give it a type. So a type is a grouping of DocFlows. So I can accumulate like DocFlows together under a category name or type name. So let's just put this under a test name. When I hit save, we've got a new group called test, and we've got our new DocFlow_approval. And the rest of the items you can leave as the default settings. We can go over those in a later video. If you need to ever export this definition and move it to a different system, say from test to production, you can use this button to export the definition after you've edited the definition. So your next step after this is going to be to define steps and then roles.
Thank you, Brian. You can learn more by signing up at the Unformed Support portal, link below. If you have any questions or suggestions for future tips and tricks, please email danschmidt@synergetic-data.com. For Unformed Tips and Tricks, thank you. We look forward to seeing you again next month.